So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix Image Playground not working after the macOS 15.2 update. So Image Playground is a new feature on Mac. Using Image Playground, you can generate art using AI. To get the Image Playground on your Mac, you will have to install macOS 15.2 update. For this, click on this Apple icon, click on System Settings, click on General, and then click on Software Update. Now, install the latest update available for your Mac. As you can see here, I am already using macOS 15.2. If I open Launchpad, then there is this new option called Image Playground. If I open it, then this will not work. Now this is because Image Playground will be downloaded after you install the update. So for this, first of all make sure your Mac is connected to a Wi-Fi network. For this, click on this Control Center icon. Now click on Wi-Fi. Now make sure your Mac is connected to a network. After this, open System Settings. For this, press Command plus Spacebar key on your keyboard. This will open Spotlight Search. Here search for System Settings and press Return key. On the left side, click on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now as you can see here, some models are downloading. Now wait for the process to complete and then you will be able to use Image Playground on your Mac. So this will fix the issue and you will now be able to use Image Playground on your Mac. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.